Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav First classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 9836793076. And our email ID is sourceclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID which is sourceclasses@gmail.com. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the West Bengal joint. That means the WBJEE. And the question is telling us that if the determinant where our terms, I am telling that in the row wise, x to the power k, x to the power k plus 2, x to the power k plus 3, y to the power k, y to the power k plus 2, y to the power k plus 3, y z to the power k, z to the power z k plus 2 and z to the power k plus 3 is equals to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Then what is the value of k? So there are four options here which are minus 3, 3, 1 and minus 1. Okay. So let us rest it here. So now I am going to solve it by just using normal arguments. Okay, so what can we do? So we are going to simplify the determinant which is given in the question, which is telling us that yeah. So this is equal to what? This is equals to x to the power k, y to the power k, z to the power k into the determinant of 1 x square x cube 1 y square y, sorry, that will be y cube, and that is 1 z square z cube, the determinant of this thing. Okay, so after that what can be done? So now we are going to see evaluate the simplified determinant. That means we are now computing this determinant. So finally what we will finally let us see what we will get. So that is equals to our x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into, that will be xy plus yz plus zx. So this is a very well-known determinant. So I directly put the answer here. So now we are going to compare the given expression. So the given expression is x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into what is there? There is 1 by x up plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. So we are getting, so as our total determinant of this thing is this into x to the power k, y to the power k, z to the power k, and this is equals to this. Now, so as this is equals to this, so we can write that let me see if the screen. So then we can write that x to the power k, y to the power k, z to the power k into xy plus yz plus zx is equals to 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, because these x minus y minus z, z minus x terms are common, so we can cancel out them. So now if we are having this thing, so after that what can be done here? We will have x to the power k, y to the power k, z to the power k into here we are having this thing, that is equals to our xy plus yz plus zx and whole by xyz. Okay. So this thing and this thing will be cancelled out. So easily we can write that our x to the power k into y to the power k into z to the power k is equals to this. So we can say that our k is equals to -1. Okay. So the correct answer of this question will be our option D, which is telling us that k is equals to -1. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.